worried about me taking your job, you should be, because it's already started.
I've been watching videos and reading Reddit posts about how people have started losing their jobs to AI. I saw a video where this man, a graphic designer, lost his job to AI, and the worst part is, the company trained the AI using his templates. What a scummy thing to do, but that is what's happening in every industry. We are training AI to replace us, but this isn't a new phenomenon either. Machines taking over human tasks started way back in the late 1700s and early 1800s with the Industrial Revolution. During those times, new machines began to replace manual work in factories. Steam engines, power looms, and assembly lines made it possible to produce goods much faster and cheaper, but many workers lost their jobs as a result. Moving into the early 1900s, the production line became more common, most famously used by Henry Ford in car manufacturing. This made production even more efficient, but also changed the kind of jobs people did, with more focus on operating machines rather than handcrafting products. Tractors meant we didn't need that many people working in the farms. Machines meant we didn't need that many people working on the assembly lines. Just needed a few people to oversee and supervise and troubleshoot if anything went wrong. And from 1980 or so, the computer got invented, which was another big step in automation. Computers can do complex calculations and handle large amounts of data quickly. They started to take over tasks like data entry and record keeping, which used to be done by hand, and the use of computers has ramped up so much every year that has gone by. But this is all fine and dandy. Sure, machines and computers replaced certain jobs, but they created lots of new jobs and allowed many people to get out of poverty. They made the workplace more efficient, allowing faster progress, which is good. But the problem is that advancement in AI isn't linear. It's like a compound interest graph. It started off slow, but is advancing rapidly. And the major development that has caused people to stop and take notice is machine learning. This is a type of AI that learns from data and gets better at its tasks over time without needing to be reprogrammed. For example, machine learning is used to predict what products you might like based on your shopping history or to detect fraud in financial transactions. Another big step forward is in natural language processing, NLP. This technology helps computers understand and respond to human language. It's what powers virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, as well as customer service chatbots. NLP makes it easier for businesses to communicate with customers and handle large volumes of inquiries efficiently. Computer vision is another area. It allows machines to see and make decisions based on visual input, similar to how people use their eyes. This technology is used in things like quality control on production lines, automated inspections, and even self-driving cars. And this is what is causing people to worry and press the panic button on AI. And for good reasons too. This is what will allow AI to take our jobs, because we are no longer talking about a robot arm helping in a factory or a computer program helping a professional. We are talking about a machine that is learning and adapting and improving without the need for any human input. We are talking about artificial intelligence, and the key word is intelligence. The ability to self-understand and improve, to create better and better and better work is scary, and it's already replacing people in droves because it's fast and efficient. Machine learning can process huge amounts of information quickly. For example, it can analyze millions of bank transactions in seconds to spot fraud, something that would take people a lot longer to do. It's accurate and reliable. Machine learning systems can perform repetitive tasks accurately and consistently without getting tired or making mistakes. It's cost effective. Using machine learning can save businesses money. Once a machine learning system is set up, it can keep working with little supervision, therefore cutting down on labor costs, and it's scalable. Machine learning systems can handle more work as demand increases without needing more human workers. For example, an online store can use machine learning to recommend products to millions of customers at once without needing a huge customer service team. Therefore, it's better than people in all ways, and this has led to AI replacing people in the workforce. A lot of sectors have already implemented AI to great success, such as customer service with automated chatbots and virtual assistants that are now handling customer inquiries, support and complaints. This means companies can manage a lot of customer interactions efficiently and at a lower cost. Machine learning is particularly effective in finance and banking. It powers fraud detection systems by quickly analyzing transactions to spot suspicious activities. Algorithmic trading uses machine learning models to execute trades at high speeds, optimizing strategies based on data. Credit scoring and loan approvals are also becoming more accurate with machine learning, and robo-advisors are providing personalized finance advice without needing human advisors. Marketing and advertising are becoming more targeted and effective thanks to machine learning. Personalized advertising means ads are shown to the right people, and machine learning analyzes market trends to predict consumer behavior. Also, machine learning is being used in content recommendation systems like those used by Netflix and Spotify, suggesting movies, shows, and music based on user preferences. And remember when the AI bros were like, it's only going to replace the mundane jobs and everyone can then be creative and do creative stuff? Well, AI can create content. It can write books, novels, songs, stories. It can create animations, pictures, films, movies. It can create music, songs, instrumentals. It has human sounding voice with human tone and cadence. Also, deepfake and CGI technology are improving, allowing for more realistic visual effects and digital content, to the point even YouTube has implemented a feature where you have to state something is AI or not, because it's getting to a point where we cannot tell if this is real or not, and no job is safe from AI. Eventually, every industry will be replaced by AI. Now, this is where I would try to give an answer on how we can combat and overcome the issue. But with AI, honestly, I have no idea, no clue. Because if we get to the stage of iRobot, the film, then yeah, every job is gone. But even before that, if AI starts replacing people in droves, there will be so much unemployment that we will have to rethink the economy and the structure of our society. But I guess a hollow silver lining and bittersweet irony is that the companies that are replacing people with AI will also be replaced by AI, because no one needs a middleman when AI can do it for you. Check this video on why Gen Z is giving up.